Suppose you are a new first grade teacher. Surely you'll be looking for some guidance from an experienced teacher, especially in math. So we'll log in as a teacher, then select Grade 1. On the planning page, we'll click on Math Quarter 1. This brings us to the resource page for this unit, which contains several types of information. Most important are the guidelines. They summarize what we are trying to accomplish in this unit. For example, know how to write addition problems horizontally and vertically. Solve two-digit addition problems. And the guidelines are accompanied by the Common Core standards. We can see the full text of each standard by hovering over it. Scrolling down, we see sections called Prior Knowledge and Future Knowledge. Prior knowledge contains links to the math the students studied last year. Future knowledge shows what they will learn next year. Farther down, you can see the list of suggested vocabulary terms. All of these items provide context for what you are about to teach. Finally, at the bottom of the resource page are lesson plans. Remember, we're logged in as a new first grade teacher. She could create a lesson plan by clicking here to bring up an empty template, but she'll browse the existing lessons. Her thinking goes like this. I know that David Parker is an experienced teacher, so I'll look through the lessons he created. Opening the second lesson, we see the guidelines that were inherited from the resource page and the lists of prior and future knowledge and the vocabulary. Now here's the good part, materials and procedures. David is using Cheerios as objects to add and subtract. We don't have any Cheerios. And down at the bottom is an attached file, a worksheet. Let's take a look. 20 problems with a number line and an answer page. Bingo! I'll copy his lesson plan by clicking on the clone symbol. Click on Edit, change the Cheerios, save, done, with time to spare. Where do the resource pages come from? From a team of planners. A planner is a teacher with several years' experience who helps schedule topics for the school year. The planner, or usually several planners working as a team, populate the resource page like this. To the left is the curriculum outline for this grade. We can look through the categories and select the most important guidelines. Notice that when we drag Ask Questions to Clarify into the resource page, it also brings the appropriate Common Core standard. These guidelines have been pre-linked to the Common Core standards. Over to the right is the list of all standards. You can easily add standards, delete standards, or create your own custom standards. When this page is complete, it acts as a smorgasbord of resources for all the teachers in the school. If you want to see how the kindergarten plan is progressing, you can select Report 6, Kindergarten, and ELA. The report displays each Common Core standard and indicates whether it has been included in the planning for this school year. Several have, but Standard KRL5 has not yet been included. There are 8 kinds of reports. We have set up a live server where you can explore statistics lesson plans for New York City. Just log in as a teacher, click on the school name, select Grade 7. There are 3 math units. Click on Unit 8.